A journal that I've made. This journal is a hard fabric and lace covered journal, and it has 3 signatures, and it has this lovely rosette trim on here. This is just 2 layers of fabric lace fabric. Little bow, it's like a triple bow here with the key on there. Hopefully you can see that because the lighting's a bit rubbish at the moment. Got lace trims, ruffled trim that I made. The kit that I used for this is by Nectars Creations, and it's 2 kits, and I will link it below. Cottage Lane and Letters to Rose, so you can go over and take a peek. Got some fibre stuck to that. There's eyelets and there is organza ribbon as a closure, and we will go inside. If I can get this open without tying it in a knot. Yep, it's gone in a knot. No, we done it. Right, so as you can see, it's a nice chunky one, and all the main pages are from the Cottage Lane Volume 1. So lovely, shabby, kind of chic pages, so lovely. I've made tags. Actually, this is from Tsunami Rose. I had some of that printed off, so that was the pages that I showed in yesterday's journal, or the day before's journal, that I just printed the pages out and glued them onto tags and sewn around the edges. This is from Letters to Rose. It's been coffee dyed or tea dyed, one of the two. A tag from the kit, and this is a Terry Woods. Make sure I'm in frame here. Terry Woods flip out, so you can do additional journaling, and all that lot just pops back in there. I can't remember which way I had that, but there we go, that will do. And that has been decorated with a doily. There is cheesecloth. There's a part of a big white doily on here, ticket and a butterfly with some eyelash trim. Some bling here. There's some music paper, some Edith Holden. There's some light stenciling throughout. Oops, that's just some I caught on there. I've left these little bits opened there. I'm not really sure whether you could tuck something in there or not and it would stay, but it was quite a wide trim. Papers from the kit. We have a pocket here, and we have a tag, journaling card from one of the kits that I used, and this one here, little journaling card with some fabric on there, and then I just made some little tags. I've used one of the pages from the kit, the same page that I used to cover the insides with, printed that out a few times and made some tags. There's a paper bag. It's not a square doily, it's like a big oblong shaped doily. Some edge paper, some cream paper, lined paper that I just done some edge punching on. Not edge, corner punching. Some lined paper, centre of the signature. There is lots of room to journal in this one, as I try to keep all my journals, fill them up quite a bit, but still have lots of journaling room. Here I just made a pocket, and this was a large printout from Tsunami Rose, and I cut it up into 4 and made some journaling cards. And that goes in there. That's been stitched. Just got some fibres and material there with the tickets. There is a journaling card inside there as well. Some ruffled trim that I made. Papers are gorgeous, aren't they? Some digital music paper. This pocket here is from the kit. Just a little tag in there. Just put some burlap on there, and then here we have one of the letters to Rose from that kit, and that goes in there. A tag and an envelope which has a little journaling, or a double journaling card that said notes, and that says remember. And that just pops in there. Very pretty pocket. Second signature, we have an envelope there, and inside here we have large mason jar from the kit, another tag from the kit, handmade tag, and another letter to Rose, and that just pops in there. We have some music paper, some more Edith Holden, some squared paper, some more of that lovely trim, page from the kit. We have our corner flip here with a doily and some fabric, some cheesecloth, ticket and a butterfly, large tag, a tag from the kit, little journaling card from the kit, and a little handmade tag. We have a tag here, a paper bag, one of those doilies again. So lots of places to journal. Paper bag, ticket. Here was, this was from Letters to Rose, and I just made that, used an envelope and made the big pocket, got a tag in there, and then I just added some trim and snippet bits there with some pearl trim, some more ruffled trim, and this is packed with tags, a handmade tag, an envelope here, journaling card inside that, that doesn't want to go back in, there we go. Oh, still doesn't want to go in, get in. There we go. Tag from the kit, and a little handmade tag. This opens out, some additional journaling. And that didn't fold in properly. It's really hard doing this when you've got to stretch around the tripod-y thing. Ah, there we go. So that goes in there, tag here, and that tag goes in there, and the envelope. So it is quite packed, the pockets are quite stuffed. So the third signature, one of the journaling cards I just used as like a side tuck. Just put some of this little trim here, and we have another letter to Rose, or from Rose, little journaling card, another tag, big tag, and a handmade tag. Oh, that's quite busy, that pocket. Some inventory paper, Edith Holden, some more of that lovely trim, page from the kit. Here, I kind of thought that was obviously designed to put on the spine of a book, but obviously I wasn't going to do that because I had in mind what I was going to do, so I just made a belly band with it. We have a large journaling card from the kit, and then just one that I made. Oops. We have, excuse me, a tag, a paper bag, a doily, it's a journaling space. Here was one of the journaling cards, and I just made that into a pocket. And we have a tag that I made, a journaling card from the kit, tags from the kit, a handmade tag, and a journaling card. And this has just got some trim, some cheesecloth, and some bling. some more ruffled trim, Edith Holden, and I think that's the last page, a corner flip with some fabric eyelash trim, cheesecloth, dig it in a butterfly, and inside here we have a tag that I made, little journaling card, tag, another envelope, it's a double journaling card, oops, and 2 tags. And it all pops in there. And that is the back. So that is the journal. As you can see, it is rather chunky. And I do like the key, kind of breaks the kind of white and cream up a little bit. This will be listed in my shop. I do have a 10% discount at the moment, and the code will be below if you're interested. There's still a few journals on there that you can get 10% off at the moment, and there is also a journaling kit, a paper kit that I've put together on there as well, which there'll be more of them because they're in the making, just putting things together and making pockets and things up. So yes, I will also put the link to Nectars Creations below as well, so please go over and check the kits out because they're so pretty. And yeah, if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.